Hello everyone, take the top section of the hair, tie it up at the back, divide the section into two parts. Taking the thicker portion of it, wrap it up into a bun, use a hair stick to keep it up in place. Use bobby pins to fasten the ends in place. As for the second smaller portion that you have left out, begin to make a braid out of it and then slowly begin to loosen either side of it. Roll it upwards and then pin it up in place as such. Make two braids on either side, loosen either side of it, then use decorative rubber bands and clips all around. Take the top section of the hair, divide it into two portions. Now taking one portion of it, twist it around the hair stick as such until the rest of it is done. Use a bobby pin to fasten it in place. Now do the same out of the other portion of the hair as well. Pin the rest of it up in place using a bobby pin. Take a section of the hair from the left side, wrap it around as such. Do the same out of the right side as well. Now wrap the rest of the hair in a low ponytail at the bottom. Next, make two braids on either side out of the hair. Lift these braids up and tie it up in place. Now, wrap one braid into the other, pin it up in place using a bobby pin as such. This is what it should look like. Now, take the rest of the braid at the bottom and pin it up underneath it. Use decorative pins on either side as well to make it look all the more aesthetically appealing. You may use them in the front as well. Next, we'll start off by tying this ponytail. Then afterwards, use this bun rubber band around it as such. Make it only go one circle. Now, take multiple sections of the hair, twist it, and then wrap it around this bun rubber band as such. Constantly do so until you reach the other side of it as such. Now, this is what it should look like. Go all the way around until you are out of the sections of the hair. Tie it up in place once you are done. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair, add a rubber band in the middle. Roll the hair in on itself through this middle section. Take it through the top and wrap it up. Use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Now after this, twist the hair, wrap it one around the other as such. Twist it through the top, tie it up underneath, and then keep it in place. Use a disc or rubber band in order to fasten it in its place as such. Afterwards, spread it out on either side. Next, take the top section of the hair and then begin to make a braid out of it as such. Afterwards, as you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it as you progress with it as such. Now, continue to do so until you reach the middle section of it, and then once you reach the base, you may continue on and then make a fishtail braid out of it as such. This is what it should look like. Next, we'll start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair, then taking this hair stick, separate it first and then see how it works. You may fold it in order to do so. After tying a ponytail to the hair, roll the hair upwards as such. After you roll the hair upwards, you may roll it into a bun, adjust the hair around it accordingly. Now you may tie a rubber band around it to fasten it in its place. Use a decorative pin on one of the sides to keep it fastened in its place as such. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair, then divide this ponytail into two parts, taking one of the parts, divide it into two more parts. Now twist it one on top of the other as such. Continue to do so until you reach the bottom and tie a rubber band once you reach the bottom. Now this is what it should look like. Do the same on the other side as well. Join the two of them together, twist it one on top of the other, twist it and wrap it up until you reach the bottom and tie a rubber band to it. Next, take this decorative clip. Now gather the hair together, twist it and then wrap it up into a bun and use this clip on top of it. Next, gather all of the hair together as such, and then afterwards, divide it into two parts. Begin to twist one section over the other as such. Now, as you progress with it, twist it one over the other, and then roll it upwards, wrap it up into a bun as such. Once you are done with it, you may use a rubber band or a decorative pin, or this retractable kind of clip in order to fasten it in its place. Thank you for watching.